Hello, I am Alex and welcome to my review of the first player Uni-Q keyboard featuring the Gatron yellow switch. The first player Uni-Q keyboard features hot swappable 3-pin with a not facing LED. Besides that, the keyboards come with 4 rubberized feet on their edge to prevent the keyboard from wobbling. The keyboard mainly are built by plastic, and it also comes with a white aluminum plate which is paint coated. However, if you can see here, there's the hot swap pin with a white color stopper, I will call it, or is just a mechanism to actually attach the aluminum plate when the PCB, which is quite tedious to open the aluminum plate. You need to kindly move it to make it straight in order to take out the plate. I will be lubing the stabilizer and the switch with 205G0, but first let us listen to the stock sound of the keyboard. So this is the software for the Uni-Q keyboard. So you have home, device and macro here. So this one is where you put your macro keys, everything here. So this is the looks on the keyboard. When you click on it, it will bring you to the device. So you have profile, and this is a lighting. You can change to brief, neon, static, twinkle, snakes, radar, aurora, even ripple. Reactive, when you press it, then the thing will just go, yeah, just like that. The ripple will just waving through like a sea. Speed, this is very depending. So the faster you type, the more the light will light on. Music rhymes, this is the best part. When you play a song, the equalizer will just go boom boom boom, the light will just come out. I don't have any song on right now, that's why I cannot demo for you guys. So this is a custom. Actually there's nothing much, but just remember to tick your light synchronize in order to have it. So let's go back. I don't want to save anything. Go back device. So you can disable the shift tab, alternate tab, alternate F4. There's a lot of things you can play with. So this is soft keyboard. So basically you can just soft keyboard. There's nothing much special, to be honest. So this is the software of the first player Uni-Q. It's very useful. In conclusion, for the price of 265 ringgit or around 60 USD, actually this keyboard features a lot of cool stuff, including hot swappable, RGB, not facing, and there's a dedicated software for you to program your stuff. So I will recommend people to get this if you want start to have a custom keyboard, and you can actually loop it and film. And most importantly, if you want to put a sandwich the foam in order to get the sounding talk sound, I will really recommend you to get this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next review or SMR video. Signing out. Bye.